Hello guys, Rudra here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a multiplayer ping pong game in Scratch. So what is this multiplayer ping pong game in Scratch? It is I won't tell you that it's like a table tennis but it's online in Scratch. So sorry I cannot open the web app in Microsoft Edge, so I have to use my desktop app of Scratch. This is my desktop app of Scratch. So um, I'm going to I'm going to explain here how to make a multiplayer ping pong game in Scratch. So what is this multiplayer ping pong game in Scratch? It has two paddles, one ball, and we have to draw the background. It's very easy. I'll show you how to draw it. So we have two variables. One score for player 1, one score for player 2. So let's get started. So first of all, refresh your laptop desktop. Refresh and open Scratch. Sorry, I couldn't upload yesterday because my sketch was down and my OBS studio was giving some problems. So I had to fix it, and today in the early morning or in the evening there was some network issues, so I had to fix it, and then I started. So sorry for the late recording. So let's focus on our project. So let's draw our background first. Paint background. Delete this one, and we will have one blue screen with no borders. No borders. Okay. No borders. So make it like this. Okay. So no with square, then square, and just double click again. Screen, resize it, and then we'll draw a line, change it to 2, the thickness, and fill black, make it in the center. Just double click again, make it in the center. Just select it. Sorry, just select it and drag it into the middle. It's okay now. Now we'll draw another line here for a score. For a score. Sorry, redo it. Select and put it upward. Okay, now we will fill and no outline. Fill some greenish here and put it here. Very small. This is the minimum size. Just wait, it says a mouse problem. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Now we will do our this part. This part we have to color it. So line and no this no this select the square and let's outline should be none means no outline and a bit yellowish orangish yellowish let's put it right here put it here done. So our backdrop is finished. Let's choose a sprites. Let's choose a sprites. So what do we have here? Search it more fast. More fast for us. So paddle. Got a paddle. Duplicate. Next one will be a ball. Ball. And place this paddle here. So let's the coding of the first paddle. So it's small, very small code. When we calculate, go to X. It should be my. You can choose any of the position here. Okay. So go for me it will be go to X minus 125. 125 and Y will be 2. Will be 2. So next will be point in direction 0. This will be vertical. Point in direction 0. See? Yeah. Sorry, it should be 2 1. It should be minus 215. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I always mistaken this. I always do mistake in this part. Sorry. So it's yeah, it's working. For take a forever loop. You wanted to make it forever. If another if key pressed, key pressed. Stop it. Make it S. Hit W. This zoom in for you. And you have my using minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Okay, just copy this. Put it in the bedroom. We get copied. I didn't get copied. Yeah, I got it. So for our paddle 2, the X and Y position will be 220 and 3. And you have to change this up arrow. We have to change W and S. It will be up arrow and down one. We have finished our paddle 2 also. Let's do a paddle 3. I mean ball, sorry. So when green flag clicked, there are two variables. First, let's do a coding. Go to 0. We wanted to make it be in the uh, center. So point in direction 90. Point in direction 45. 45. And they then take a forever. Move 10 step block. If on edge bounce. If on edge bounce. Okay? On edge bounce. Then if then take a if then block. Sorry, if then block. Take a if then block. So we have taken an if then block. So go to finishing palette and if fitting paddle 1. We want it to bounce to show it that it's really hitting and it's bouncing on the opposite direction. So paddle turn. I ate something very spicy. Ah, turn. No, put here. Turn to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Sorry for the burp. Just we get this. Then we get uh, panel 2 and just you to change it. Okay. So now we'll make a variables. One will be player 1 score and second will be player 2 score. So set and put it these here. Put these blocks here. Set player 1 score and player 2 score to 0. Then again take a when green flag click. Forever, forever, forever. Take this forever block. We take this forever block. And take this if then block. Put it in here. And now go to the sensing palette. If touching color. If this ball touches the color, touches this green color, then player 2 score will be added by 1. Okay. So let's choose the color. Very simple. Just choose here. Mm, yeah. What happened? Why didn't it select it? Yes. If touching this green color here, then change as I told change player 2 score by 1. Player 2 score by 1 and take this wait until block. Wait until block. And it's telling that if wait until when not touching this color. This um, this green color. Okay, and I will just will tell you this player one score. Okay, so take a not operator from operator's palette, not, and put it here. Duplicate this, put it here. Wait. Did you get this? And just change these colors. Change the color and you change the player one score to player two score. Okay. Wait. Wait. Why? Yeah. And just remove these and duplicate here. Change player two score by one. So let's see. Oh wait. And double click into the files. This is a player 2 and this is a player 1. So let's see. How is it going? Let's check first. Panel 2. Yup. Alright. Alright. Yup. Will work perfectly. Yeah, working perfectly. So, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. So, this this project is working perfectly. So, please like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below how did you like it. And I told in the previous videos that I'll tell you the surprise. And here we and which I've been waiting for days. So I'm telling you that my this channel is Scratch channel. So I'm making another channel that this will be this channel's name is Rudra's Python projects. So I am starting Python with all of you. I will beside that I will do Scratch also. So now I will post Scratch in Tuesday and Thursday and Python on Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So please subscribe that channel also. I'll make it soon. I will start the channel from next week. So be ready. And thanks for watching. So for now, goodbye.